Okay, we have a Fadal vertical machining center model Vmc 4020Fx. Machine was new in 2007. It has a Fanuc OIMC CNC control. Machine serial number is 012007069982. It's original paint. Machine is clean. We're going to run her for you. It has a CAT 4021 tool capacity, umbrella style. Simulating a tool change now. Axes are quiet, spindle is quiet. You have a 48 by 20 table, 40 inches in the X, 20 in the Y, 28 Z. It is an 8-inch extended Z travel. We are running 1500 RPM. It goes up to 8000 RPM. 4000 RPM. 6000 RPM. Okay. Running the X, Y, and Z. Again, you have a Fanuc control, Fanuc AC servo motors, ball screws, boxways. That's your cooling system on the ground. And again, original paint, enclosure. Hey, thank you for watching our video.